Vivo is getting ready to unveil the S50 series next month. The company confirmed the S50 Pro Mini's chipset, it's the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. Vivo has unveiled the phone's design. The Vivo S50 Pro Mini sports a horizontal camera bar on the back, which houses 3 cameras and an LED flash. It features a large primary sensor, paired with an ultra-wide lens and a 50MP Sony IMX882 periscope telephoto camera. A 50MP sensor for selfies. The S50 Pro Mini will include a 6.3-inch flat display with 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. Vivo also revealed that the S50 Pro Mini will pack a 6,500 mAh battery with 90W wired and 40W wireless charging support. This device will be rebranded as the Vivo X300 FE globally. The global variant may debut in the first quarter of 2026. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.